plasma on the move.
A flare is just the flash of light. The real power is in the billion-ton cloud of magnetized plasma it can hurl into space. And this one wasn't aimed at us. Within minutes of the flare, coronagraphs aboard the SOHO spacecraft, specifically the LASCO C2 and C3 instruments, confirmed that a massive coronal mass ejection, or CME, had been launched. This wasn't just a puff of smoke, it was a colossal bubble of solar material and magnetic fields, with an estimated mass of, well, about 1 trillion kilograms, racing outwards at a staggering speed between 800 and 1,000 kilometers per second. Forecasters at NOAA's Space Weather Prediction Center, using the WSA-Enlil prediction model, quickly charted its trajectory. The verdict: Earth was in the clear, but the CME was barreling directly towards the region of space now occupied by Comet Swan and its magnificent sprawling tail. Solar physicist Dr. Angelos Vorlidas, a leading expert in CME imaging, confirmed the CME's broad 90-degree angular width made an encounter highly probable. A rare and potentially violent collision was now inevitable within 48 to 72 hours.